Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. And today I'm out here roaming this area known as Withlacoochee State Forest. It's a vast place to explore with lots of scenic nature and amazing history all around these areas as well. Dating back to the early to mid 1900s, there were a lot of old homesteads and ranches out in these areas. And today we're going to take a journey into the past and explore one of these old ranches. So up that way on that hill there used to be an old homestead and ranch site. You can see there's a pond over here. This was most likely used as a watering hole for the livestock. Close to the area where the ranch used to be, seeing some fence posts surrounding the site. Let's go take a look around. The area looks much different today than it used to. Nature has reclaimed the site. Such a scenic place here in the woods, place of beauty and history. Take a look over here. This is really neat. This remains of an old windmill still standing. Windmill. It's been here so long that this tree is actually growing around it. See a lot of blocks around the area. Roaming around the woods here at the site, I'm seeing a lot of this old fencing and other traces from the past scattered around. These areas here would have been part of the pasture. Some remnants from the ranch. appears to have been part of a gate here at one time. And right over here, it's an old pathway. Further back in the woods here, I can definitely tell this was a road or some sort of pathway that was used at the ranch. And I'm just following it back as far as I can. Well, that path led me back to this area where all these planted pines are. So at one time this section would have been a big field. Seeing some more ranch remains out here, and this may have been part of a corral or something like that. Some pieces of metal. See some fencing back in here.